Arrived in Manchester Airport. Hello, I'm Neil. Thanks for clicking on this video. I came from Southampton on that plane. If you're an aviation nut, you might recognise it. I have no idea what it is. Put it on the description. But this is what the takeoff looked like. Someone somewhere might actually appreciate and get off on footage like this. If you have reached this point in the video and it is what you're looking for, why not give me a signal? I don't believe anyone's going to get this far, but if you reach this point in the video, why not give me a thumbs up, or even better, hit the subscribe button. It'll help me get closer to 1,000 subscribers. That would be a big help for me. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you soon.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks. Bye.